Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English speaking practice lesson. In today's video, you will improve your English through a simple and interesting motivational talk. Listen carefully, speak each sentence, and speak aloud with confidence. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn and improve. Practice with me until the end, and let's make your English better, one sentence at a time. Let's get started. Today, I want to talk about success. Everyone wants to be successful. Everyone has dreams. Some people want a good job. Some people want to start a business. Some people want to travel the world. Some people simply want a happy life. No matter what your dream is, success does not come easily. It takes time. It takes patience. It takes hard work. It takes courage. Many people give up too early. They think they are not good enough. They compare themselves with others. They lose hope after one failure. But everyone has a different journey. Everyone learns at a different speed. Everyone has different challenges. Never compare your beginning with someone else's success. Focus on your own progress. Take one small step every day. Small steps create big results. Learn something new every day. Read good books. Practice your skills. Ask questions. Stay curious. Use your time wisely. Do not waste your day. Every minute is valuable. Every day is a new chance. Good habits build a successful future. Bad habits waste your potential. Choose your habits carefully. Do not be afraid of failure. Failure is a teacher. Every mistake gives you a new lesson. Every problem makes you stronger. Every challenge helps you grow. Strong people learn from their mistakes. They never stop trying. They keep moving forward. Believe in yourself. Believe in your abilities. Your dreams are possible. You only need to take one step at a time. Stay positive. Stay disciplined. Stay focused. Keep working hard. Keep learning. Keep improving. Some days will be difficult. Some days you will feel tired. Some days things will not go as planned. That is normal. Do not quit. Rest if you need to. Take a deep breath. Then start again. Never stop moving forward. Remember, success belongs to those who keep trying. Your future depends on what you do today. The choices you make today will shape your tomorrow. Make today meaningful. Choose good habits. Work with confidence. Trust the process. Be patient. Great things take time. One day, your hard work will pay off. One day, people will admire your success. One day, you will look back and feel proud of yourself. Remember, every great achievement starts with a small step. So, start today. Believe in yourself. Work hard. Stay humble. Keep smiling. Keep learning. Never lose hope. Never give up. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep speaking English every day. Practice makes progress. I believe you can do it. See you in the next English speaking practice. Have a wonderful day.